Hello everyone, my project is continuous authentication using behavioral biometrics and my app name is Biomatix. I'm Ashok. Let us move on to our problem statement. Simple facial recognition and password locks are vulnerable and can be easily hacked. Some facial recognition system uses liveness detection for motion tracking. However, they are not used for enrollment of the user. Enhanced security that is easy to use is not available in those systems. So let us move on to our existing solution. So the existing solution uses liveness detection only for the enrollment and not for the verification and all. Like we can take our phone and all. In this, there is only like in one enrollment only there is a liveness detection, not in the like verification and all. So the existing solution just capture the facial biometrics from different angles through liveness detection. And for verification, they just compare the face which is the enrolled already, which is stored in the database. Like what are the phones and all now doing? They just while capturing, they just use like a dynamic or different angles to capture the photo, like a face of the human. Once it is done means for the verification, they just simply like when you just keep the phone in the front means it will just compare with that existing one and just open the phone. So this is the existing one, which is like become a problem for the people who are having a similar face or any twins or an AI generated model can easily like unlock the phone or any devices. So let us move on to like our solution. So we use as motion pattern recognition for added security for authentication system that the user has to like enroll themselves with a series of face movement to with their app. The next time when the user opens our application, the user will have to do the same facial momentum for unlock the pattern. In our app, we are just mainly focused on not only live instruction in the enrollment, but also we do in the verification also. So which gives the benefit of high security of important data and assurance, which also a user experience, and it is very time efficient when compared to others, and non transferable. So this is our proposed solution. Let's move on to our flowchart diagram. This is a workflow of user enrollment and verification of app. Here the user need to enroll as said enter into app. They need to click on the user enrollment pattern. Once it is done means they need to give face and eye movement extraction, which they like need to set a pattern like moving up or down, which we'll see in the later. Once the user is confirmed with the pattern, they need to confirm the pattern. Once it is done means that pattern will be saved in the user authentication key for that user, and it will be stored in the SQL in that phone. So for the verification, the user need to log in into our app. Once it is done means the user need to do exact same pattern which is done for the enrollment. Once it is once it is matched with the enrollment one and the verification are same means it will just that the matching will be done with help of authentication algorithm, which will compare that enrollment and also verification. Once it is similar and the same means it will just go to the next page, that is opens the app or any files or anything the user wants. So the concept is work is it will just compare with the authentication one. They need to do the exact same pattern where what they did in the enrollment, the same they need to do for the verification also. Then only the app will get opened. It not only directs the movement but also but also it directs the face direction also. First it will direct the face whether this face is not, then it will do the face movement, direct the face movement whether the person is doing a correct movement or not, like facing down or up, which we'll see in the later. So it will compare both the things, and it go to the next step with the help of the authentication algorithm. We will just compare all the things, and if it is a good means it will just go to the next page, that is if you want to use any other app or any files they want to access, they can access. So let's move on to the use case diagram, which eye movement. Our Biometrics app provide two movements. What is a face movement and also eye movement. In face movement, what are the features we are providing is the user can do like a set a pattern with the help of face up, face down, smile, face right, face left, and also they can do the left tilt and right tilt of the face. For the eye movement, for now we are providing is left wing and right wing, and both the eyes are closed. So with the help of these features, the user can set a pattern in any random order, which we'll see in the demo. The user can set up in like n number of pattern for their added security. They can do in any order with help of this features like patterns. Let's move on to a demo. So in our demo, what we are going to see is enrollment phase, verification phase, and all raw movement phase. In enrollment phase, the user must need to like do a pattern like enrollment. Then the user must need to like movement register. They need to do some certain movements to register. Then if the user want to like reset a movement means they can reset a movement and do a new one. And the phase also needed to be detected. Then the movements will be saved in the database. The phase and movement will be saved in the database. That's the enrollment phase. In verification, we'll see they need to click the verification button. The phase will be detected. The user need to do the exact correct movement. Once it is done means it will compare with the registered pattern in the database. It is good means it will just go with the successful login. What if the user like do a wrong movement? If the user clicking the verification button, they're going to the phase detection. Here they just doing a wrong movement. Not instead of the correct movement, they are doing a wrong movement. Mean what will do means it will just compare with the registered pattern in the database, and it will say like it is an unsuccessful login, and device will get logged for certain amount of time, which can be altered according to the use case. So let us move to our demo. This is our app. I'll just start the record, like start the video. So I'm just opening my app in my Android phone. You can see this is the home page of our app. You can see like this is the landing page of our app. There are two options. Let us set up a new face ID and authentication system. Like before entering into our like full face demo, I just want to confirm that this app is the only prototype which can be embedded with any other system, which I will tell on the next slide. I'm just for telling for now. Okay. Here you can see there are two tabs. One is set up a face ID and authenticate. If you're a new user means you can just click the set up a face ID and you can set up a face. Once it is done means you can click the authenticated button and just do the authentication. So these are the two apps. One is setup Face ID and another one is Authenticate. So now since I am a first user, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the setup Face ID. Yeah, I'm going to click a setup a Face ID. So here I'm just going to enter a new Face ID. That is Face ID. Anything we can do. For now, I'm just doing Face ID 01. So I'm just this since the first time I'm opening the app, I'm just going allow camera access for that capturing the face. Now I'm going to like so what are the moments we can capture with help of our app? We are sorry, sorry for that. Yeah, I'm just taking a moment. So with help what are the, now I'm going to like tell about the different facial movements which can be captured by app. Now what I'm so the question mark is help to note like what are the movements I have done for now. That reset button you used to like tell if you want to reset a button means we can do reset. Now I'm just closing the eyes, both eyes closed. Now I'm just doing a smile. The smile is also registered in the database in the sequence order. Now I'm just doing left side, facing left. Now I'm just doing facing right. So when I click reset means the pattern will be reset. Like no will nothing will be just recorded. It will delete. Now you see that the facing up is only there. Now facing down. Then I'm just doing a smile. I'm just doing a reset. So nothing will be entered in the database. Now it will be clear. Now I'm just doing a left tilt, right tilt. I'm just doing a facing left, facing right, smile. You can see facing right, smile. I'm just doing a reset. I'm just doing a smile again. Now I'm got so before entering this, these were the patterns which can be like written. We can also do like winking of eyes since I don't know to wink eyes, so I didn't added that one. So we can also do a left wink and right wink. Instead of closing the both eyes, we can just do one eye closed and another eye closed. That can also be recorded. So let us clear everything. And what we can do is like we can just set up a simple pattern for now. So now I'm just doing a smile. So just going to set up a pattern. So just smile. So smile is recorded. Then I do another smile. Smile is also recorded. And I'm doing third smile. The smile is also recorded. So you can see that once it is done means I'm just clicking the done button, which is on the left side. So for face ID 01, the pattern is smile, smile, file with my face, not other face with my face. So now what I'm going to do is authenticate the registered pattern, which is in the DB. That is face ID once moment is my face plus smile, 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 which need to be done in a sequence order. So I'm going to authenticate. So I'm just clicking the authenticate button, the home page, like landing page. Now I'm just doing a smile one, smile two, and also smile 3. Now just click verify means it will just redirect to the next page. That if for now it's the prototype only, it's mainly focused upon that working of that algorithm, not the whole app. So what it will do means once it is done means it will redirect to the next page. What is like welcome to the biometrics while I just verified successfully your identity. So after that we can just embed it with any other important app like Teams or any other things which we'll discuss later. So this is the working protocol of our project. So what if we do a wrong moment? Let us try again. What I'm doing is I'm just clicking the verify button again. So once it's successful means it will go to this page. If it is wrong means what will happen means I'm just doing random one like facing right, left, up, down. I'm just clicking verify. It shows like a warning. Incorrect. Please try again. Attempt one. We are just providing three attempts for the wrong face, like a wrong moments. If it's more than three means the app will get locked. So the pattern is like smile, smile, smile. If I'm doing some other thing means it will just like incorrect only. I'm just doing it facing right, smiling up down. I'm just doing randomly. As you can see, the buttons, the disable buttons, like the buttons disables it disables the button for next 1 minute. We can see we can do nothing with the help of it. So it will just for now I'm just setting it for 1 minute. We can just increase the wait period for more than 1 minute according to our like use case. So it will disable the for button so the user can't use the app for next 1 minute. So this is all about our project. So the main concept here is like existing solution is only depends upon like a face direction, like one face where like dynamic face verification only in the enrollment period. It will just see dynamic face verification only in the enrollment, not in the verification. Our concept is like embedding continuous motion verification, like motion recognition, not only in the verification phase but also in the enrollment phase and also for the verification phase. Both the phases we are doing. So this is our product. This is all about the product Biometrics continuous authentication using behavioral biometrics. Thank you.